Dear students, today we are going to perform practical number 1 of integrated and circuit application subject. Practical number 1 title is to study about inverting amplifier using op-amp. As we know, op-amp is a versatile device. It can use to amplify AC as well as DC signals. It is also used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, integration, differentiation. So that's why its name is called operational amplifier. This is a kit of inverting amplifier. Now I am going to do connection of this practical. Here this is power supply, in which plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt DC power supply is given to this kit. This is CRO and this is function generator. On CRO we can see the waveform, output and input waveforms, and this is function generator. With the help of function generator we can provide sine wave to the inputs kit. Here I am going to provide power supply from this module to this kit. This is plus 12 volt, this is ground, and this is minus 12 volt. Now I am going to provide input sine wave signal from the function generator to this kit. Here I am going to apply input at the inverting terminal because this is a practical of inverting amplifier. So I am going to apply input at the inverting terminal, and I am going to make non-inverting terminal connected to ground. So non-inverting terminal is connected with the ground terminal. This is inverting terminal at which I am applying input, and this is non-inverting terminal which I connected with ground terminal. Here this is a feedback loop. From this feedback loop I have to connect this point with the G point. F point is connected to G point. So I am going to short F point with the G point. And now I am going to apply output terminal to the CRO. Now I have applied input at the inverting terminal of the op-amp. Input is 0.2 volt peak to peak and 1 kilohertz signal. Here small signal, small sine wave is the input signal. And here I am setting RF resistor which is 30 kilo ohm and R1 resistor is 10 kilo ohm. So as we know, inverting amplifier's output voltage formula is V out is equal to minus RF by R1 into V in. So I am getting here V in, which is 0.6 volt peak to peak, which I am getting here. In this CRO I am getting 0.6 volt peak to peak output signal. Big signal is the output signal. And here you can see the phase shift between input and output waveform, which is minus 180 degree phase shift I am getting because this is an inverting amplifier. And in its equation also we get minus V out is equal to minus RF by R1 into V in. So minus sign indicates phase shift. So here I am getting inverting waveform at the output terminal. So this is the end of this practical. Now you can see the kit of this practical.